Da ki phomut ki samla puli ki laya lumpat ba hamadan don busko la imkra ban pilong ya ka jingi ki bala kirshan da kathma urangli juki da ka ba dawa ban kit kle ya ka jinglai tu ki jingkli examen bat ban pin kalai ku kom pule puthi kano yalam ka TUR ka kong Angela Rangan kala ong ba kani ka jingi ki kalami na ka social media bat ka pin i ka jing smoke ya jong ki samla puli kalau ong ru ba ka jing e kam kut tang hakanit henry ka jing puli kala nang ramdor bat bun ki samla puli ki shale bay ka TUR kala kadoru ba ka Meghalaya kadang don hapdeng ki jela ki bedang dunatam ka jing kiyo hakapuli puthi bat kadawa ba ka sarkar kadai ban pin bha ya ka jing hikai amtang manchna jingte hakane ka jing ki samla puli ki lara ki plakat ban dawai ka jing bishar hok ban pin pawru ya ka jing kershan ya sonam wangchung bat ki nong ki hajantar mantar Delhi
in hunger strike for the justice of the students, as we came to know that so many children, so many students, they kill themselves because of the leakage of the papers, no exam paper. It is a very sad to hear that our society is still quiet, our ministers are still quiet. Especially my message to the education minister Dharmendra Pradhan, please do the resignation. That is me.
Protest against the education system of our country and also for the state of Meghalaya. As we know that Meghalaya was previously known as for the toppest education system, but now as we see it is going down. It is more worse than Bihar. So we really support Sonam and we want the safety of Sir Sonam and also the safety of those people who are there present in Jantar Mantar. So this is my regards. So I wish success, we will success in whatever we are taking actions. Thank you. Surely I will go to support the team. Not supporting, instead of supporting, they are taking some other actions against the team, against the party, against the people standing there asking for the demand for education system to improve. Instead of supporting, they are taking action against them. So we are really against for the system that we have in our country.
Young people, I think on their own, using the tools they know best how to use, which is social media. I also just saw on social media that they are organizing, they're coming together along with the rest of the country to protest this government, which seems totally disinterested in solving any problems. We know that in Jantar Mantar, students and along with Sonam Wangchuk and others have been on a hunger strike for more than 20 days. The demand began with the paper leak of NEET, but actually even before that there have been so many, and there continues to be even state level paper leaks and things like that. And for students, I think it is so frustrating because the education system as a whole is collapsing. They are pushing for privatization, where education is out of reach of many people because it's expensive. It's expensive, but it's not even quality education. And on top of that, you have a judge insulting them, saying that these bekam students who don't have work are like cockroaches. I mean, it just shows the contempt with which this government looks at its citizens. So we're here to support the youngsters. This is their legitimate demand. And it is not just about a wider, larger thing about the paper leak. It is about education reforms as a whole. And if we talk about Meghalaya, we know that we're at the bottom of the rung. We are last in the PGI index. Our learning outcomes are the worst in the entire country, behind states like Bihar and others. And yet you have a CM who pushes for CM guidebook rather than looking at paying teachers better and improving education. And when we say improving education, we don't mean you just go and, again, because their favorite pastime is pushing infrastructure. Having empty buildings without the quality in there where students are happy and learning and getting the right inputs is not education. So we're here to support the youngsters and a demand for also an introspection at state level. We all know that education is both a central and a state subject. There's so much that we can do even locally. And I think students are showing the way that we need to start now. It's a spontaneous protest. I also just saw on social media that youngsters are saying we're going to meet in Don Bosco Square. And actually it's so lovely because nobody knows who began this and everybody's just coming together. So it shows the level of concern of the students, the responsibility that they're taking on their young shoulders, whereas the government is hiding and keeping quiet.
Mornings are always busy. everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.